Problem 6.88 says two fixed horizontal parallel plates are spaced 0.4 inches apart. A viscous liquid, which has a viscosity of 8 times 10 to the minus third pound-seconds per foot squared, and a specific gravity of 0.9, flows between the plates with a mean velocity of 0.5 feet per second. The flow is laminar. Determine the pressure drop per unit length in the direction of flow. And also, what is the maximum velocity in the channel? So let's draw what we have. We have flow between two parallel plates, okay? And we're told the flow is laminar. And this gap between them is 0.4 inches. And therefore, we'll need this because our analysis looked at the half heights. We'll have 0.2 inches and 0.2 inches, and that will be equal to h. When we did flow between parallel plates, we referenced some value h, which was the total gap between the plates. Okay, so h in this problem is 0.2. So let's start to jot down our givens. Okay, we have that h is equal to 0.2 inches, which is equal to 0.1 over 6 feet. Right, we have our viscosity is 8 times 10 to the minus third pound-seconds per foot squared. Our specific gravity is 0.9. Our average velocity is equal to 0.5 feet per second. And we are asked to find what is the pressure drop, delta P, per unit length. And we're also asked to find what the maximum velocity is. Okay. So from our discussion on flow between parallel plates, pressure-driven flow in a slot, we came up with an expression for the average velocity, and that was equal to h squared times delta P divided by 3 mu times L. So I have a bunch of these from my givens. So V bar is 0.5. H, we said, was 0.1 over 6 feet squared. Delta P over L is what we're trying to solve for. And then we just have 3 times mu, which is 8 times 10 to the minus third. So I could rearrange this to solve for delta P over L. It's going to be 0.5 times 3 times 8 times 10 to the minus 3 divided by 0.1 over 6 squared. And I will be left with a value of 43.2 pounds per foot cubed. Okay. Now we're asked to find what the maximum velocity is. And we have an expression for the maximum velocity. We know that for flow between parallel plates, or laminar flow between parallel plates, it's just equal to 1.5 times the mean velocity. So we'll have 1.5 times our mean velocity of 0.5 will give us 0.75 feet per second.